I heard an interesting idea. Actually, I'd heard this long ago, many years ago, that our human nervous systems basically are like a lens that kind of closes out a lot of the light of what reality actually is, so that we can function and just focus on, some small segment of reality that we can handle, basically. Our consciousness can grasp and comprehend and feel we know, and it's not too overwhelming, it's not too much. And it occurs to me that growing to these higher states of consciousness is like opening that lens. So you take in more of reality and more of reality. And it's gradual so that it doesn't overwhelm you. And we take in more and more and more until we have the wholeness of life in Brahman consciousness. So that's an interesting perspective on it.